So I'm going to ask you a question today. Let's say that you pass away before SHTF. What's going to happen to all your preparation? The food, the guns, the vehicles, the tools? And for most people, unfortunately, your heirs will not be interested in prepping or survival. So when you plan out your estate, you need to plan out what's going to happen with all that material. From the merchant side of it, I've seen this happen a lot. And also from knowing people that passed away, I've seen this happen a lot. And for the most part, people will talk the talk, but when it comes to preparation, they never follow through. So when you pass on, a lot of the people that say they're interested, the real reason they're interested is they want to sell your stuff after you pass on. Because most heirs want the money. They don't want the stuff you have. And I've seen it with military vehicles, collectible cars, gun collections, prepping supplies, military supplies. All these things, normally heirs do not have a fondness for it like you do. So this is an important thing to understand. On one hand, you would want your heirs to prep and survive, but most of them probably will not. So if you're in that group, you don't want them getting ripped off either. I've bought and sold a lot of collections from estates on commission and for cash outright. And I can tell you from 30 years of experience, if you don't plan it out, they will get ripped off. Please share your thoughts, comments. We'll see you on the next video.